All right, you crazy people out there in Eric's Garage AZ land, I told you I'm going to be with a rare Hennessey Viper today. Told you. We're going to do a cold start video on this thing, and he's actually going to let me drive it to our shooting location. This is so freaking cool. Look at this car, man. Look at that car. This car is number 5 of 40. And I get to drive it. Gonna do a video of it. Gonna do an interview with the owner of it. The guy's name is Bill. He's a really cool cat. There it is right there. All right, so stay tuned. Next up is gonna be a cold start video. Hold on to your pants. All right, folks, we're gonna do a cold start video on this car here. So, Bill, let her rip, tater chip. Bad at the bone. Go ahead and pull her out. Woo, look at this. How'd you like that? That was cooler than shit, wasn't it? Look at this car. All right, you guys out there in Eric's Garage AZ land. Dig this. Check it out. Look what I'm climbing into. Yep. So hi, Bill.
How you doing, guys?
Man, look at this. Bill, I gotta say, I thank you very much for letting me drive this thing.
You're
this
very
is
welcome.
bad at the bone. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Eric's Garage AZ is driving a freaking Hennessey Viper.
Ooh, don't slam these too hard though.
Sorry.
Fiber.
Life doesn't get much better than this. All right. Gotta watch the doors of carbon fiber. In the meantime, stand by. Bill's going to be holding the camera while I drive this thing, and I promise not to go sideways very much. All right. Peace out. Drive like I stole it. Bitches. Is it me? Is it live or is it memory? Is it recording?
Yep.
All right, cool. What's up, everybody? Here we go, man. And he asked me, do I drive a stick? Nope.
You have to angle because it's so low.
Late release clutch, isn't it? Well, it makes me feel like I want one. Which is an understatement. I'll tell you what, this car is a race car. There's not a whole lot of luxury in this car, but man, this car is absolutely bad to the bone. We're going to turn right here. Nice brakes. What size are the brakes in this? Big old dinner platter size?
Yeah, they're bigger than pedal size. Step on it a little bit if you want to.
Well, we get up to 100 pretty quick in a 30-mile-an-hour zone. I'm glad the cops aren't out. Do you got a radar detector in this thing, by the way?
No.
You ever think about getting one?
No.
Yeah.
The old 8 goes question, do you know why I pulled you over? Because I lit you.
Yeah, right? Exactly. Straight, forward, left, right?
Make a right.
Make it right. All right, cool. I'll tell you, this car, I don't know if you guys heard that. Yeah, I know you saw the bounce back in the camera there with acceleration, but this car is absolutely incredible. car
2002.
This is 2002. They only made 40 of them. So this car is 16 years old, but it's a race car. I mean, this car is, was it 19,000 miles on it? Is that what it is, 19,000 on this car?
Yeah.
Yeah, 19,000 miles on this car. And this thing is, it's a race car, so it's designed for track purposes. Last year, in 2017, the Vipers took the GT Daytona race class with the WeatherTech Sports Car Challenge Series, and just driving this right now, I could definitely see why, because this is just absolutely, absolutely, dude, Shawang Woody, man. This car is just bad to the bone. I mean, take a look here, show them the car like that, man. I mean, this is just nuts, crazy cool. Oh my God. I know I keep talking about this car, but I just can't help myself. And I love the color scheme of it, the red. The red with white stripes. I gotta use the clutch because the clutch release is late. In most Mustangs, I know the clutch release is early, so that's why I'm having this little bit of an over rev issue here with it, but we're gonna be good. Gotta wait for this lady crossing the on-ramp here, but we're getting ready to go on the freeway.
There you go.
And then from there, we're gonna go to, are we gonna go on a freeway or?
59th. Go ahead and get on it. When you're in the on-ramp, here's your chance.
Not my chance.
Oh. Hi, Mr. Trooper.
Hi. You know he's gonna be pulling out after us here shortly. He just wants to make sure we're not gonna be abusing this poor little car. You want to throw on some air conditioning? Does it have AC?
Yep. We're good right now. All
right.
Yeah, well.
There we go. Got some AC going. 51st Avenue we want right here?
59th.
59th? Okay.
Yep.
Oh, it wasn't. Wow. I don't want to take it too much. We're doing, yeah, we're doing 65 right now, which is good. Missed the gear. I got her. That's it. Well, she definitely likes to get up and go, that's for sure. All right, Bill. Well, if you want to go ahead and keep the camera rolling. This is just way too cool, man. Oh my God. Right turn, Clyde? All right. We're going to take it right here on 59th Avenue.
He is having way too much fun.
Oh, man. People who aren't car people don't appreciate fine automobiles such as this. They really don't. They don't get it. They think, oh, cars are cars are cars are car. Cars are means of transportation, blah, 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 blah. I say, forget about it. They have no idea what they're talking about. They don't get it. They don't understand. And I, respect that. But at the same time, come on, seriously, this is artwork. This is somebody took their whole life. There's a whole team of people that developed this Viper, and it's a legend. This car is just incredible. I don't exactly know where. We turn left here.
There's next light.
Next light, turn left.
Light,
Okay,
yeah.
all right. He's pointing at me, so that's why you see me looking at his hands. I think he's giving me hand signals like, "Dude, you're an idiot." No, I'm just excited. I think I'm 16 years old. Learning how to drive again. The light's up here, right? I see it.
Yeah. Oh, actually, we wanted to turn there, but it's my fault.
Okay.
No, light.
Light?
Light.
Light.
The light.
Okay. We're not going to go into the mountain up ahead.
No.
We're going to turn left at the light, which is Deer
Right.
Valley Road. And he says he has a really cool spot for us to do some video in if driving the car on the road is not enough of a cool spot. So what we got to do though on the way back is, if he'll still let me drive it, is I'm going to mount my YouTube, my GoPro camera on the outside so you can see. So you guys can see. Whoop, right turn.
And you can just spot right up there. You can pull now and then by the golf course.
Okay.
And you can get a really good
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're going to do a little U-turn. I'm going to go up here to this next street.
You got the feel of this thing already.
Pretty much. What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, me too. We're just going to do a little... I made it. Well, hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today with Hennessey Viper. You saw a little bit of a video of me driving this car. Damn! Now we're going to do a little bit better video of it. Now this is a 2002 Viper. Here's the original window sticker on it. And you see right there, a little price tag of 79 grand. That doesn't include the dealer markup of another 10 grand. And 79 grand back in 2002 is a lot of money. And then because this car is a Hennessey, as you see right there, the Hennessey package is another 40 grand on top of that. So this car was $130 plus your taxes and whatnot. So back in 2002, that was a whole lot of money. And this car is actually a race car. Again, this car is in a series all over the country, all over the world actually. Look at this thing. This is just gorgeous. Here's the inside of it. All the instrumentation here, white face dials, makes it easier to see what you're doing. And again, here's the Hennessey tag on the inside of it, so it wasn't blowing smoke up y'all's butts. 6-speed manual transmission. This car is neck snapping fast. I drove it, didn't put all I had into it, but I stepped in accelerator good enough to experience some of the thrill of the ride with this thing. Okay, take a look at how this hood goes up. When you pop the hood initially, the front end of the hood lifted up just a little bit, and then he released it. So then the hood raises from the back of the car forward, so it opens up like this here. And this is a big fat V10 engine. Now if you look, I told you it's Hennessey. It's a Venom 700. And there's a Hennessey right down there. It's a supercharged 700 horsepower. And this is serial number 5. Built in Texas, USA. Right there, that's a Paxton supercharger, that chrome piece right there. And this is the V10 engine right here. Okay? And I understand that something very special happened with this car. We're going to have a chance to talk to the owner of the car right now. His name is Bill. He's a really cool cat. From what I understand, I'm one of only 2 other people that has ever driven this car, so I want to say
you're very welcome.
Yeah, right on. So
drive it like you stole it, bitches.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So tell us a little bit more about the specifics of why this car. So you mentioned a couple things, 2 models,
right,
that make it a rare car. So what is that?
What makes this car kind of rare? One is the GTS Final Edition. They only made 360 of them in 2002. Out of 360, this is car 209 that was built. But what makes it even rarer is it's sent to Hennessey, where it got even more upgrades, and it was brought up to 700 horsepower from its factory 450 horsepower originally. Okay. So this car now is 700 horsepower, 680 foot-pounds of torque. It's an 8.4 liter V10 supercharged with a Paxton supercharger. It also has upgraded fuel injectors, also has headers, all has a Borla exhaust. It also has the supercharger, roller rockers, upgraded pumps, upgraded everything was done by Hennessey to bring this car up to where it needs to be.
Wow. And you said this car is 700 horsepower right now.
700 horsepower plus.
Right.
Yeah.
Now back in 2002, 700 horsepower was kind of unheard of. Now today you have these cars pushing, 800 horsepower, 600 horsepower, 1,000 horsepower, whatever. But back in 2002, 700 horsepower is pretty unheard of. All right. So you've had this car for how long now?
Almost 7 months.
Okay. All right. And obviously you love to drive it.
I love driving this car.
I'll tell you what, I can't say I blame you.
This car just goes. It's hard not to get on it. You get it on an open road or open freeway, you can peg it. It's got a top speed probably around 220 miles an hour.
Now that brings up something. You said you're going to take this car to the annual or semi-annual event called No Fly Zone.
Right.
Where it's at the Gila Bend Airport. We take over their airstrip, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and you're going to try to get this car tuned to go 200 miles an hour?
Try to, yeah. Okay. Right. My goal is to reach that. It's going to be pretty tough.
Okay.
Some are saying I won't get past 180. Some are saying I won't get past 160. Some are saying the average speeds are around about 170, 175.
Okay. All right.
I'm going to do my best.
Right, there you go. That's all you can do is do your best. All right, cool. Well, Bill, thanks again for letting me have the opportunity to drive this car.
You're so welcome. Thank you for interviewing the car. It is a awesome car to drive. I hope to see everybody there at the No Fly Zone, along with all the other supercars that are going to be out there. There'll be McLarens, there'll be Ferraris, there'll be Lambos, there'll be Vipers, there'll be Hellcats, there'll be everything.
That's cool. Good for
so we're looking forward to going.
Porsches, everything, right?
Everything. Right. It's half-mile racing side by side.
When is that?
That is going to be October 13th.
October 13th? Okay. All right. Cool. All right. We'll have to check our schedule, folks. All right. Bill, thank you. I mean, speechless. This is the first time y'all have heard me speechless. I can't get over the fact that this guy let me drive this car. This car is off the chart, cool, bad to the bone, handles like a dream. She's just like a virgin. Not really. She's just a badass car. Bill, thank you very much. In the meantime, folks, if you like this show, Eric's Garage AZ, if you like the YouTube presentation that I do, please by all means, look behind me here, please by all means, like, subscribe, tell your friends all about it, and as always, remember, I love you guys very, very much. Thank you for all you do for me. Remember, Eric's Garage AZ land, drive it like you stole it, bitches. Peace out.